Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. I did another video and you might want to check that out first. But on this video, I went to another Dollar General because I was like, I'm in the area where there was two Dollar Generals, and y'all struck it rich again, struck it gold, okay? So I'm in my car, so if it's a glare, it's the sun and everything, and I'm sorry, but I was trying to bring it to you all. So I found some toothbrushes, the Bright and Clean, and I found 4 of them, and I thought I had at least for it to be just all toothbrushes, but they had it mixed in with the ProFlex, and y'all try to actually look at that when y'all are getting these toothbrushes, okay? Make sure it says Bright and Clean, and I don't know if I think it's Healthy and Clean or Healthy and Bright is scanning too, because they didn't have none, but I think they are. So I got 4 of these, and it was $6 for 4 for a digital coupon. Then I found these in the dollar aisle, and I just said, let me scan these to see, and y'all, they did scan. So I got these. I got the 5 for 3 and then the 3 for 2 digital coupons, okay? So I need to get some stuff so it can actually eat up the overage, okay? So what I did was I picked up the Dawn Power Wash. I picked up 2 of them. There's a $3.99 off of 2 digital coupon. So I picked up 2 of these, and they are $4.50 a piece, but there is a digital coupon $3.99 off of 2. So I picked these 2 up. Then I said I was gonna pick up some more things just to eat up some overage. So I picked up these air wicks, and they are $3.50, but they are 2 for $7. They 2 for $7, so it's a $3 off of 2 air wick digital coupon that is attaching. And then I just went ahead and picked up this Airwick, the warmer, which I always, when someone gets these, I always give them these free when they purchase. So these Airwick warmers this one right here is $2, but there's a $1.50 digital coupon that is attaching. And then I was getting a little thirsty. Y'all know how I do when I get thirsty. So I just went ahead and picked up a little Mountain Dew. I don't know if there's an Ibotta on that or not, but y'all do see I am in the store, and the Mountain Dew was just $2.25. It was not on sale, so I was just a little thirsty. So y'all, why is my subtotal $6.76? But if I hadn't got the Mountain Dew, just take $2.25 from that, and there's your balance. And let me show y'all my receipt. Like I said, it was $6.76 for the subtotal. Look at that. There's my $6 off. There's my $5 off. There's my $3 off. There's the $3.99. There is the $1.50 off. There is the 3 off of 2 off. So there's my subtotal, $6.76. Look how much I saved. $22.49. Yes, $22.49. Cannot beat that. So y'all get out there and try to see if y'all can locate these dollar toothpaste and toothbrushes and get y'all some little overage and get y'all some little stuff, the extras, okay? So this is Miss Nanda's channel. Just subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.